Hey everyone. So recently we have released a functionality of excess payment log. So earlier you used to see that suppose if you are dealing in an export invoice or or you are going ahead and getting some additional payment, then in such cases what was happening, suppose if the bill is of 100 rupees, you cannot go ahead and log the payment of 110. Now that functionality we have provided. From where you can check that? So first of all, let us come to the payments module. Now, once I will come in payments module, please check. These are all my invoices on which I need to log the payment. So this is one of the invoice which is of 11,800. I will select this invoice. Now click on log payment. Now after going here, suppose the amount is of 11,800 and I got 12,500. So I will simply just mention 12,500. Now, once I will come to 12,500, please check here, mark excess payment as receivable. So if this is checked, it means you will adjust this amount against future payment. And suppose if that is for the forex gains or any other payment, so I will uncheck it and go below. I will select just few details like payment detail, payment account, and go below, log the payment. Now I will click on yes, and please check the payment is logged here. So this is how you can go ahead and log the extra payment if you are getting against an invoice. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and manage your payments. Have a good day ahead.